Morning, it's Vijay here. Today is Thursday, 27th March 2025. Welcome to yet another episode of Pre-Market Commentary. I think today is a day when a lot of people will get very concerned as to why the markets are falling last 2 days. Many of the mid caps and small caps have started correcting from the last 3 days. So, will this bull trend end here or what is the future? While no one can predict the immediate future perfectly, but one can look at it with a broader perspective. Please note, incidentally, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so whatever I say here is my original thinking. If you like this kind of thinking, please like, share, and subscribe. So the question which we need to answer is: will the markets fall further? Just look at where we have come from. If you take this Nifty has come from 21,800, which was in the beginning of March, and it went up almost 2,000 points to 23,800. Subsequently, we have retraced. For the last 2 days, we have retraced. Now, broader market, of course, has retraced much more. But if you just look at, what they call the Fibonacci numbers, then they'll 2,000 points would mean 1,000 points fall should be there, or it should be at 33%, 66% also can happen. So, my thinking based on the kind of action which is there from FIIs, plus the DIIs, plus the broad basing of the market, makes me feel that this is the green band, what we are seeing here, the two green lines and the reddish band. Probably the markets will take support at that levels. Now that seems to be a little far away, 23,368 and 22,863. That's about to say 23,400 to 22,900. So I think we will take support there based on my understanding of where we are today. Bank Nifty is a little more stronger, so I think Bank Nifty will get a support much quicker, is what I feel, based on again the kind of buying which has taken place in Bank Nifty. So, in my opinion, both Nifty and Bank Nifty will take support probably in the next 400, 500 points. I do not see any big fall beyond that, and I don't see any cause for concern. So just let's look at what are the cues this morning. Nifty snapped a 7 session gaining streak. In fact, it had lost day for yesterday, but because of the last half an hour, it had gone up and shown as positive. Then the NTPC came down, Tech Mahindra came down, mid cap and small cap have declined for the second consecutive session. Realty fell down. Everything fell down. Actually, the advanced decline, if you look at it, was 4:1 in favor of the decliners. So, including this Axis Bank, Canara Bank, everything had lost. Now, if you look at FIs and DIs, that is not important what happened yesterday. Yesterday, across the board selling was there. So FIs and DIs, FIs bought about 2,240 crores. So they have been net buyers. If you look at this month, they will become net buyers if they buy another 4,000 crores. So this will be the first month in many months where they will become net buyers in the secondary market if they buy 4,000 crores more. And they have got today and Monday, and Friday, they have got, because Monday is a holiday, and I think that should end the settlement and the month. So there is still hope that they could buy 2,000 crores net today and tomorrow, which will make it a flat month as far as the FI trading is concerned, which is a harbinger of good times, in my opinion. So what happened overnight? Overnight markets almost crashed in the US. S&P down by 1%. Nasdaq very badly hit because of Nvidia and Tesla and other major stocks. Nasdaq was down 2%. 10-year yield went up to 4.35. Dollar index went up to 104.55. Brent oil went up to 74, which are all bad for risk. Now, so that is one reason why one may expect some sort of selling today. But you must understand that today is the weekly settlement as well as the monthly, quarterly, and the annual settlement for the market. So therefore, one can expect great amount of volatility. I'm banking on banks to save the market from here on. So auto tariffs, every day we hear something new. Donald Trump announced auto tariffs of 25% auto tariffs on all cars not made in the US. 50% of cars which are in the US are not made in the US. So that is going to be severe on companies which are exporting to US. The only company which exports to US from India is Tata Motors. So that may be under pressure. So Tesla will be not greatly benefited, but the other companies like Volkswagen and the Japanese companies may get under pressure. So that is, and also he is toned down on his rhetoric of uh, the tariffs from April 2nd. He says it will not be completely reciprocal. It will be less than what people are thinking. So they will apply tariffs which are a little more than what the countries are charging them. Meanwhile, news about the Trump delegation, US delegation has come, and the talks are going on well, is what the government sources feel. And so there should be some benefit for India. And yesterday we had a wonderful interview on CNBC conducted by Lata Venkatesh, where both the experts mentioned that it is not going to affect as badly as most people think. In many ways, it is beneficial to India, and I've always held that it is beneficial to the consumers. And we have had customs duty reduction in 1991 and 1997. Both of the time, the stock markets viewed them positively, and it was good for consumers. So while I'm overall bullish, today may be a very tricky day. I thought today should be very good at the end, but I am not very sure now. But I will be very careful in what I do today. I have some positions on the bank nifty, so we'll have to see whether we book our losses at the end of by the end of the day, or carry it forward to the next week. So whatever you do today, I hope it is successful. Thank you for joining me. Good day.